and welcome to the Amazon Rainforest. It's in South America, mostly in Brazil, and it's a big rainy forest, and it's got this big river that runs through it. It is one of the most important suppliers in the world, all of it, of oxygen after the ocean. The Amazon rainforest is also home to lots and lots and lots of animals, including monkeys, snakes, frogs, some more snakes, a crocodile, a leopard, a bug, and another bug, and the vicious, bloodthirsty ocelot roar. And the rainforest is also home to many people who may have been there between 20,000 and 30,000 years. Few live in complete isolation from the modern world, and many of them have been learning about the rest of the world and using technology. The rainforest is lush and warm all year round, and the average temperature is from 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. It can rain between 80 and 400 inches in a single year in the rainforest, and it can rain 2 inches in an hour. Can you believe that? Amazon rainforest is under threat, but from climate change. People have been cutting it down to make farmland, and models show that by the year 2050, the temperature may raise another 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, which would dry it out partially, and that would not be good because so many animals, really all animals, need water to survive. Rainforests are some of the most diverse areas on the planet in terms of all the ridiculously cute life that calls it home. They are in danger, but if we work together, we can save the rainforests for the future.